This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. The battery is located on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Release the clip at the side and remove the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and disconnect the positive lead clamp. Undo the bolt and move the hold-down clamp strap to one side. Remove the clamp from the battery tray. Lift the battery from place. Inspect and wipe clean the battery tray. Maneuver the battery into place in the tray, with the terminals at the rear. Refit the spacer, followed by the hold-down strap and retaining bolt. Press the positive lead clamp down over the battery terminal and securely tighten the nut. Refit the negative lead clamp and tighten the nut. Check the leads are securely reconnected. Refit the battery cover, ensuring the retaining clip engages correctly. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.